Hey, it's old dude here. Beautiful February day out in Midland, Texas. We drove out here to West Texas for a varmint hunt. And on the trip, my Raptor had an issue that's pretty common. I see it all the time. The fuel door right there won't close anymore. Stays open even going down the highway. Well, that's a problem. Got to try to fix before I go out varmint hunting. Well, like I said, this is an issue I've seen a lot on trucks over the years. This Ford doesn't have a gas cap, and this door is actually the seal right here. It seals and keeps out dirt and rain, but I always see them hanging open. Well, guess what? Mine did the same thing. So I got to figure out what's going on there and pull it apart, see what I can figure out and how to fix it. I looked online. I can ordered a kit off of Amazon, and it's a metal pin. There's a plastic pin back here they say breaks. So I ordered that, but I'm gonna see if I can't fix this because I need the truck to not be getting dirt and crap down in that gas tank. Well, that was actually pretty simple to do. You remove those 3 screws that go in there. Took a real small blade screwdriver that actually is laying right here. Pried these tabs off, and then it just pivots out and comes out, and that's 200,000 miles of dirt on top of that. But there's the problem. You see that pin is pulled out. Everything else is still together. Okay. I'm not 100% sure what Ford had in mind here. The pin, it might be broken, might just be backed out. Spring's not, that's why it was not, there's no spring left in the spring. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get that out. That pin is kind of tight. Okay, I'll get it all apart. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I'll wash it off and. All right, so I think I've figured it out. You can kind of see how that, maybe you can't, but this pin is twisted a little bit, and there is this little bump on it right here that's supposed to keep it from backing out. It's kind of a press fit in this part with these grooves locking the two together with these notches going in those notches right there, and that locks it together so it all spins together. But what happens over time is it gets a little twisted, and this groove quits engaging with that little notch right down in there. It's kind of hard to see it, but there's a little, and once that happens, it allows this to slip out, and this is what happens. So I'm gonna put it back together and get it all working, and then I may just drill a little hole right here, put a little thread and washer so it can't come out. I think eventually this plastic, what do you call that, pin, hinge, will break, will twist completely and break. But I ordered another one if it does. I just got to get it fixed so I don't get stuff in my gas can going down the dirt roads out here. So there it is, all put together. Spring cams over this way so that when you pull this open, it, cams over, and then when you pull it back, it springs shut, so it breaks past this 90-degree. Anyway, it's gonna work for this weekend, I hope. It's 2012, it's lasted 14 years and 215,000 miles, so hey, can't blame Ford. That's actually a pretty cool design. I do wish it had a gas cap though. Well, I've got it all. I've got it all drilled and pinned, and my online order is now not going to get here for a couple of days, so they lied about the overnight shipping. So I'm glad I did this. I just need to put this back on, and that should be fairly simple. Basically just feed it through there, line it up. Okay, I'm gonna have to have 2 hands. Got to line up the gas inlet. So I know you're wondering how to get the gas cap, this disc door, off of this, and it basically slides on these grooves. You see those grooves? And then this right here is all that holds it on. That gets trapped by this little spring right here. So if you look at that little spring thing, all you have to do is put the door on and slide it until it snaps, and now it's hooked in place. So that's actually pretty ingenious. So all you have to do to get it off is take a knife or a small screwdriver and put behind that and pry out gently, pry away from the door, and it'll slide right off.